Hello, I'm Kim with Kim Meeker Realty Group. Welcome to 32460 Rosado Court, located in the beautiful community of Paseo Del Sol. Be the first to view this home with us. Come take a look. Be our guest as you are greeted by the beautiful gated courtyard. Open the door to prestige and elegance. A gracious foyer open to a 2-story living and dining room space, complemented with plank flooring and plantation shutters. Picture yourself in a beautifully decorated family room with stacked stone fireplace and built-in entertainment cabinet with shelving. Farmhouse-style kitchen, new stainless steel appliances, and center island, a space to enjoy with friends and family. No expense was spared in every detail. Gorgeous crown molding, plantation shutters, new custom paint, hardwood plank flooring, and new carpet. Neutral colors in the Grand Master Suite lend subtle elegance. Main bath features a vanity with twin basins and a generous-sized garden tub and walk-in closet. Covered patio will be a cool, shady retreat on a hot summer afternoon. We bring homes and families together. Call us at 951-821-5538 or visit us at kimmeeker.com.